Alright guys, good morning. Still don't have my voice. Don't mind my hair. But I'm going to be mowing the lawn or cutting the lawn because I keep feel like I keep saying mowing with an L and there's no L in it. Okay? Today. So that's all. I'm just showing you I'm gonna be cutting the lawn. Alright. So here we have a small tractor here. Be using that. I have my little regular lawnmower. Some areas I have to use this. And I'm not gonna weed whack today. I'm just going to do this. So we're gonna see Joker is gonna start up today because it's been acting up recently, so we'll find out. All right, so this is what the yard looks like before right now. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut. There's some more, so. So guys, my dog Fiona, that's her you see me pointing at and telling her to go back. Because she's crazy. She follows me everywhere I go. She's supposed to be on the deck. I put her blanket out on the deck and usually she stays up there. But for some reason, she just running behind me back and forth. Following me as I go up, she runs behind the lawnmower. She come back, she runs behind it. She runs beside it. She finally did listen at some point and went on the deck because I had to stop and go put her in her leash on the deck. Or she wouldn't stop following me back and forth. I don't know what. She probably think I'm playing. That's why she's running back and forth behind me. See, I'm pointing. Look at her. She's right there. I'm pointing. Go back on the deck. She's like, nah, I'm just going to keep following you around. Look at her. And then she runs right behind me. And that's the story of my life with Fiona. And I don't know. She's not used to this thing. I think she's wondering what it is. She probably think it's a toy or something. But yeah, look. Back and forth she goes. Well, anyway, there's no harm. She's fine. She's a good girl. She did go on the deck. And if you are familiar with these type of machines, you know once you get off of it, it stops running. And she's not going to run in front of the machine. She's not that stupid. But yeah, that's what it is. So guys, with this riding mower, I'm saying it wrong or whatever, right tractor, it's just so much easier to cut this yard. The landscape is not all that level. It's like, you know, there's the downfall, it's up, down, a lot of hills and stuff. But it's so much easier to cut the yard with this when it's working. It will take you like, what would take you like, usually if I use the regular push mower, It takes me a good 2 hours just to do this part that I'm doing right now, right there. But then I still have more that I'm not even showing you guys that I have to cut. Because I could be out here all day showing you guys, but I'm not going to do all of that. But it's so much quicker and easier with this. I wish everything was like better, like a level landscape, so it would have been better. Now, up on them hills up top that you're looking at close to that fence, I don't be going up there with this tractor because I feel like I need a seatbelt. I feel like I'm going to fall off of it and stuff like that. So up there, I do use my push mower, honestly. I use the riding mower to a certain extent up there, but other than that, I just take the push mower and we hit it off up there, okay? And there's some other part that you're gonna see me as you continue to watch that I use. Probably like, why do you use the lawnmower? The push mower is because when I go down there, because it's not level, half of the time my blade is cutting dirt, it's cutting out the dirt and the grass. I'm like, because it's not level, so I just like cut the part that is better with this, and then the rest I would do the push mower and weed whacker, okay? And there you have it. That's how I cut that part. Here we go. So remember I was telling you guys about the land is not level. So here we're cutting some more, and I'm using the push mower. Plus it's good workout as well. It's good to, get your heart rate increase a little bit. So down there I cut to an extent down here with the riding tractor, but then I use this push mower because mower. Oh my God, don't come for me. I have an accent. I know it's MOWER. It's not L, but anyways, yeah. So I use it down here. I don't feel like I'm running off in the woods, or it doesn't cut the dirt. Like it just constantly, I think once I get more comfortable with this, I think I could do it if I like literally like lift the blade. But who got time for that? You get your heart race a little bit, get your little workout in at the same time. And there you have it. That's how I do it. And this is just like a part of the back and a part of the side. I won't show you guys the front, but the front I kind of like did use the riding mower to do everything in the front. All right, so yeah. So thank you guys for your patience. I haven't been up here in a while, and some of my subscribers, they did came back to watch a few of my videos that I've posted. It's been a very long time, like maybe 8 months. I've like really hasn't like make a video. But like I said earlier in my other videos is, I'm just gonna start doing stuff like this, show you what I'm doing around the yard. So this is after I was done doing the front and the back. So all I'm gonna do right here, guys, I am just gonna clean off these machines and get them back in the garage and use a broom. You could use a leaf blower, whatever you want, but I like to clean them off because if you don't take care of your machine, they won't take care of you. So I'm not an engineer. I don't know the inner part of how to really take care of these. Thanks to my neighbor, he'll come over and help me out with it, because half of the time this riding one just be acting up, and thank God for my neighbor, because I'm new to the area. So but my neighbor is super nice. He comes over and help me, and he'll fix it. And also one of my coworkers, her and her husband came over and helped me out as well. So right underneath the deck of the blade, man, I tell you, there's so much grass under there. So I had to like use the top part of the broom, and I dig out as much as I can. I feel like I want to put a garden hose on there, like get it on a ramp or a lift, like how they lift a car and wash it out. But I don't know. I don't want to ruin it because I don't know anything about this. I'm pretty sure in a year or two I'll be mastering it. I'll be like really like know more about it. So that's all I'm doing, cleaning it out. And guys, I want to tell you, I went to work after cutting this lawn at 3 o'clock. I had a 8-hour shift, 3 to 11, and it was so much easier. I wasn't so tired. By the time I finished cutting the lawn and everything, I did that before I go to work. Because it's been raining, so I had to do it before I go to work. Because if I did not cut this lawn before I go to work, I would have been working the next few days. So it would have been like the other week. It would have probably been like a woodland back here to cut. So I said, you know, I'm going to sacrifice myself. I'm going to go ahead and cut in. Here's just an overview of the front and the back, what it looks like after I was done cutting it. So yeah, so that's just it. That's how I do it for now. Now, if you keep following over the years, it's going to probably look different and all that. But here's where we started. So with all that have been said, if you enjoy watching this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Therefore, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I'm going to do my best now, guys, to try to upload. Now that I'm not going to edit anything and I'm not doing like making other videos, it will be way easier. So I'm going to start having stuff for you guys. I'm just going to be asking you guys to go ahead and share this video. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it on your social media page. It doesn't cost anything to share. Sharing is caring. Also, if you like videos like these, I have 2 more videos that I post recently on how my lawn tour, my garden tour. Go ahead and check that out. If you enjoy watching this video, you may also like those too. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed.